How to find Roblox server region. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find Roblox server region. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, of course, open up your Roblox, and this is what your Roblox normally looks like. Now, if you're on your Roblox, what you'll need to do is you'll need to download an extension called BT Roblox. Now, BT Roblox is completely safe. There is no need to worry about this. Even the developers are not against users using BT Roblox. So you can add this extension to your Chrome, tap on Add Extension, and let it download. So while this downloads, you guys can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So as you can see, BT Roblox is now downloaded. Now head over to your Roblox, enable your BT Roblox, and after you enable it, your Roblox will open up in a new tab, and this is what it looks like. So after you're on your Roblox, you will see a little UI changes, so you can then use your Roblox as you normally use it. Now what you'll need to do after you're here is tap on the settings icon here, and after you tap on settings icon, head over to BTR settings. Tap on BTR settings, and after you're here, scroll down. Scroll down until you see the advanced section, expand on that, and there you will see game details, show server region. Expand on that and select region. After you do that, you can then close this and head over to any game that you want. So let's say I want to open this one up, and if I open this up, you will see server, and if I scroll down here, you will see servers available here. Now if no servers are found, that means that the servers are not yet working or your extension has not been downloaded properly. So after you just head over to the servers section, you should be able to see all of your servers that are currently running. So you can open this up in any other games here. So let's just open this up in this game, and it's the same. As you can see here, the servers are showing just fine. Now you can exclude full servers as well. So here you can see that the servers are from different places. There will be a small icon indicating that. Now if you don't see that, it's completely fine. It depends on what server the people are on. And yeah, that's basically how you see the servers on your Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.